Today we will discuss about work, energy and power. What is the differences between them? Firstly, we will discuss about the work. What is work? Work is only a transfer of energy. It is called work and its formula is force into displacement. We take an example for this. We have a man and in the hand of the man a object. This is a self. A man want to place this object on this self, then work will be Fd cos theta, because F cross D has cross product, so Fd cos theta we can also write work formula. And put an object on self is an example of work. If a object is put by a man on the self, then what will happen? Force will be weight of the object. What is the weight of the object is called force, and displacement is called height of self. How much height of this self? So force into displacement for putting a object on the self is also an example of work. This is the transfer of energy from one source to another or another to another. This is only a transfer of energy. And what is energy? Energy is capability to do work. How much a man or anything is capable for doing work is called its energy. Energy is defined as potential energy and kinetic energy. Also, both forms are popular, but there are several forms of energy. Thermal energy, both these forms are popular. So many forms of energy are available. We will discuss about only these two energies. Firstly, the example of energy stored in a body by virtue of its position is called potential energy. When this object changed its position according to height, then it will store energy, and this is called potential energy. And if energy possessed by the body by virtue of its motion, if the energy is associated with the motion, then it is called kinetic energy. So energy is only a thing, capability to do work. What is power? Power is how quickly work can be done. We want work, but how quickly work can be done is called power. Power is defined as work done divided by time. We take an example for two cases. This is first case and this is second case. If first case put the object on the self very slowly, this is called the first case power. But in the second case, if we will take, then this second man put object on the self very quickly, then it is the power more than the first. So power is simply how quickly work can be done according to time. So this is the difference between work, energy and power. Thank you.